Hi, I'm Paul Glenn with MarineMax of Houston. I'm excited to show you a brand new 2025 261 by Scout. This boat is awesome, great features all inside, powered by a 400 Merc on the back. Come on, let's look at some of the great features. Starting in the back, we've got three really nice seats that completely fold out of the way to give you a really good casting platform. Underneath the starboard and port seat, we have an extra live well on each side. All your bilge access is under the center seat. We've got another really large bait tank here. Great tackle center, lots of rod holders. Already rigged up with bridged Garmin electronics. This one's got the hydraulic jack plate on the back, full light package. It's even got a trolling motor. This boat's totally loaded and ready to go. We even got a nice head compartment on board. And as on most Scouts, all your fishing platforms convert to seating. So this is just one of our many great offerings here at MarineMax of Houston. I'm Paul. I'll be glad to take care of you.